Hello children, let us start 10th class sets topic. So before going to that topic, let us have a small discussion about our proverb. The proverb, what it says, need teaches a man. What is the meaning of this, children? Need. Need means necessity. You have got another proverb also. Necessity is the mother of invention. Both are almost same. That means what, children? If you have the necessity to do a thing, if you are kept in such a position that you are unable to escape from that situation, anyhow you have to complete it by yourself, then your mind starts thinking about how can I perform it, how can I solve it, how can I come out of it. So it is, the necessity is really, it's a good teacher for us to teach how we need to behave, how we need to solve the problem that has come to us in our pathway. So children, your necessity actually is what, children? To score higher marks. So allow your mind to think about it. Definitely you will get a solution. Suppose you are having something tough, something you are unable to understand, then immediately you think about it. When you think about it, when you think that yes, it has to be done by me, I have to do it, if you feel that need, definitely there will be a solution, because the need itself is a teacher to you, to teach you how you have to come out of it. Okay? Now, let us come back to the sets. 10th class Telangana State Syllabus. We are going to talk about sets, and in this sets, we are going to talk about equal sets. What are these equal sets, children? We have done a union of sets, we have done intersection of sets, we have done one set minus the other set. Now we are going to talk about equal sets. Equal sets means what? Two sets are said to be equal. The definition, how we write? Two sets are said to be equal if each set is a subset and equal to the other set. Each set is a subset and equal to the other set. Means what? When you have two sets, are they equal or not? How you will find out? That each set should be subset and equal to the other set. As an example, let me take A is equal to a set with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements of set A. And B is having 2, 4, 1, 3 as the elements. Now you see, children, A has got 1. 1 is here. 2, it is here. 3, it is here. 4, it is here. That means whatever elements that are there in set A, they are there in set B. And set B is not having anything extra. That means A is subset and equal to B. What do you call it as? A is subset and equal to. This line indicates that equal to. So A is subset and equal to B. And similarly, we will say about, see, B is having 2. 2 is here. 4. 4 is here. 1. 1 is here. 3. It is also here. So whatever elements that are there in B, they are there in A. Nothing is extra in A. Same elements are there. So what you will say? B is a subset and equal to A. So since A is a subset and equal to B and B is a subset and equal to A, what does this imply? Set A is equal to set B. So this is the meaning of equal sets, children. Equal sets means what? Two sets are considered to be equal when each set is a subset and equal. Not only subset, children. Not only subset, but it should be equal also. What do you mean by that? What is the meaning of this line? This line means that whatever elements are there in this set, they are there here. So, A is not only subset, it is equal. Similarly, B is not only a subset, it is also equal. So, we will say that these two are equal sets. So, this is the definition and example of equal sets. Children, write down. Now, let us talk about the next topic. The next topic here, example 7. What is this? Example 7. Example 7 is, you have got set A as the elements P, Q, R are the elements of set A, and you have got another set B which is having the elements Q, P, R. Now the question is, check whether A is equal to B. Now let us see, children. A set elements, P is here, it is having P, Q is there, R is there, nothing extra. Nothing extra in this. Whatever are there here, all are there here. So, A is a subset of, A is subset and equal to B. At the same time, B, Q is there in it, P is there in it, R is there in it. So, B is a subset and equal to A. So, A is subset and equal to B, B is subset and equal to A. Therefore, we will say that A is equal to B. The two sets are equal. Now, you have another example, children. Example 8. In this example 8, set A is given as 1, 2, 3, so on. That means what? It is not ending. And N is set of natural numbers. Now, you need to prove that whether both of them are equal or not. Now, set A, 1, 2, 3, so on. It is a number system of natural numbers. So, A is a subset and equal to N. At the same time, N is also subset and equal to A. Therefore, we will say that A is equal to N. Both of them are equal sets. I hope you have understood, children, about equal sets. Write down. Now, next, you have got example 9. Example 9. Example 9, consider the sets. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the question is, are they equal? See here, children, set A is subset as well as you can write equal to B. Means all the elements of A are there in B. But B is not a subset of A. Why? Because B is having an element extra. This 1 is there here, 2 is there, 3 is there. But apart from this, B is having one element extra. So, B is not a subset of A. Therefore, what you can say? A is not equal to B. Both of them are not equal sets. Okay, children? Now, example 10 we will go. What is this example 10? Example 10 says, A is set of prime numbers. A is equal to set of prime numbers. Prime numbers, A is set of prime numbers smaller than 6. Smaller than 6. That means what, children? A is equal to prime numbers smaller than 6 means 2, 3, 5. The next one 7 is greater. Okay. Now you have another set. What is the other one? B is set of prime factors of B is equal to set of prime factors of, what is the number? 30. So prime factors of 30, what you will do, children? Take 30. 2 ones are 2 5s are 3 5s are. So what are the elements B? B is also having 2, 3, 5. So what can you say, children? A is subset and equal to B. B is subset and equal to A. Therefore, what you will say? A is equal to B. So because of this, you can say that A is equal to B. Okay, children. I hope you have understood. This is example 9 and example 10. Now, the next one. 11th one. Example 11. What is this example 11? Show that C and B are equal set. What is set C? Set C is X such that X is a letter. X is a letter in the word. What is that? Assassination. Assassination. X such that X is a letter in the word assassination. Now, otherwise, I don't know whether you are able to see it. I will write from here, children. C is equal to X such that X is a letter. X is a letter in the word. What is that? Assassination. Okay, this is the set. And B, X such that X is a letter in the word. What is that? Station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. So you need to find out whether they are equal sets or not. See, children, let us talk about C. Earlier we have done this kind of problems. When a word is given to you, each letter is considered as a set, as an element of the set. Each letter is considered as an element of a set. If the letter is repeating twice or thrice, you are going to write it as only once. So you will be writing A, yes, and another A, another S you don't write, I, then N, A is there, T, O, that's all. A, yes, another S already we have written, A already we have written, S already we have written, I, then N, then A already we have written, T we have to write, I already we have written, O you have to write, N already we have written. These are the elements of set A. What are the elements of set B? You will write S, children, and T you will write, and A you will write, T already we have written, then I you will write, then O you will write, and then N. So, both of them are having S, both of them are having T, both of them are having A, both of them are having I, both of them are having O, both of them are having N. Is there anything extra here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same number of elements are there. That means what? Whatever letters that are there in C, they are there in B. So we will say that C is a subset and equal to B, and B is a subset and equal to C. B is a subset and equal to C. Therefore, we will say that B is equal to C is equal to B. First set is C, so you write C is equal to B. Both the sets are equal. So I hope you have understood, children. we will go to the next example. That is example 12. What is this example? Consider the sets. What are the sets? You have null set. You have set A. A is equal to 1, 3. And you have got B is equal to 1, 5, 9. Then C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the elements. You have to insert subset or not a subset between them. First one, null set dash B. You know that, children, earlier I have done when I was teaching you the number of subsets. I said 2 to the power of n is the formula where n will give you the number of elements in a set. Basing on that, you will understand how many subsets you will be getting. When you are writing in that subsets, 2 subsets are always common for the sets. One is a null set. Null set is the subset of every set. And second one is every set is a subset of itself. These two I told you to remember well, because elements you will be writing anyway. But after that also you will be getting 2 less when you are writing and counting the number of subsets that you need to get. Why they are 2 less? Because null set you need to write, the given set itself you have to write. So we know perfectly that null set is a subset of a set. So you will be keeping that subset sign. And the second one is A and B. Say, children, A is having 1 and 3. B is having, of course, 1 is there. Is 3 is there? No. So A is not a subset of B. Why? Because 3 is not present in B, or 3 is not an element of B. You can write that also in that way. Then the third one, A and C. A is having 1, 3. C is having 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So whatever elements that are there in A are there in C. So A is a subset of C. Now the fourth bit is B and C. B and C. See, 1 is there, 5 is there, 9 is there. So definitely B is a subset, because here what if they ask you the reason, we will say all the elements of A are present in C. Similarly here, because all the elements of B are present in C. Here what you will write? Null set is a subset of every set. This is the reason. So in case if they ask you to write the reasons, you can write these reasons, children. So with this I wanted to conclude my topic today. In the next class I am going to do with the next exercise.